morning student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8 and decimals. So what is decimals? You can see this is these points. This is small point is called decimals. If you put between two digits like this 2 5, this digit 2.5. This is a ones place. This is the 10th place. Okay. If you write like this 662, so this is a tens place, this is a ones place, this is a 10th place. Okay, and this is a ones place, ones, this is a tens. Okay, this is a 10th place. Okay, if you write any other number 8, this is a 100th place, this is a 100th place. Okay, this is a 100th place. So here you can see this is the numbers and this their places. Okay, here 9762 point, this is decimals, we read also point 583. Okay, so we start from here. 2 is the ones place, 6 is the 10th place, 7 is 100th place, and 9 is 1000th place. Okay, after decimal, this is before decimal, after decimals, or you can say right side of the decimal. This number is the left side of the decimals, this is the right side of the decimals. Okay, so this 5 is 10th place, 8 is 100th place, and 3 is 1000th place. Okay, the value of this 5, is 5 by 10. Okay, the value of this 8 is 100th place, so this becomes 8 by 100. Okay, and the value of this is 3 by 1000. Clear? So I hope all of you know the value of this, because you are familiar to place value and the face value of the numbers. Okay, so from the place value of this number is 700. You can say 7 into 100. This number is 6 into 8. This is 10th place, and this is 9. This is the 1000th place. Okay, the place value of this 9 is it's a 1000th place, so 9 into thousands. Okay, so I hope all of you understood these numbers. What is the places? Okay, now we are going to one thing more. And the decimal numbers have two parts. First part is integral part, and second part is a decimal part. Okay, now we are going to discuss how to represent decimal number on the number line. You know very well how to represent natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and fractions on the number lines. Now we are going to discuss how to represent decimal number on the number line. Let's see how to do this. Here you can see representation of decimal on the number lines. Okay, so first decimal number is 0.8 and second is 1.4. Okay, so now first we draw a number lines, and after this we plot the numbers 0, 1 and 2 on the, so it's become number lines. Okay, so this is the, you can see here this is the 0.8. So 8, what is the 8th place? 8th place is 10th. So we divide this 8, 0.8 is greater than 0, 0.8 is greater than 0. Okay, but less than 1. Okay, and the place of 8 is, place value of 8 is, okay, 10th place. So we divide these numbers and these units 0 to 1 in 10 equal parts, and we take 8 parts. Okay, so we can write count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8th part. Okay, and this represent 0.8. Clear? This represent 0.8. Now we can also write this 0.8 because it is the 10th places. So you can write 8 by 10, and it's a converting fractions. You know how to plot the fractions on the number lines. This is the numerators 8, denominator 10. So 8 by 10 is a greater than 0 but less than 1. So we divide the line segment between 0 to 1 in 10 equal part like this, and take 8 part. Okay, so this is a 10 equal part: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we take 8 part. This is equal to 0.8, or you can say 8 by 10. Okay, now this is the next part. You can see here, this is a 1.4. It means just this 1.4 is greater than 0. 1.4 is greater than 0 but less than 2. Okay, you can also write this. This is the whole part, okay, the integral part, and this is the decimal part. So we left this part, okay, and we start this part, okay, and we divide the line segment between 1 and 2 in 10 equal part, and we select 4 part because decimal after decimal is 4. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4. We select these numbers, these points, and you can write here 1.4. 1.4. Okay, this is a 1 whole numbers and 0.4. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, and 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Also you can write write like this: 14, 1 plus 0.4, or 1 plus 4 by 10. Okay, so this is a whole number. So we left this unit 1. After this is second. Is 4 by 10 lies between 1 to 2. We divide the line segment from 1 to 2 in 10 equal parts, and you select 4 parts because you can see here the denominator of this fraction is 10. So we divide 10 part and we select 4 because numerator is 4. So I hope all of you understood how to represent decimal number on the number lines. Okay, now we are going to discuss the place value chart of decimal numbers. Here we plot this is table, place value tables, and thousand, th, hundred, tens, ones, tenth, hundredth, after thousandth. Okay, a lot of numbers. This is decimal numbers, and the value of this is 1 by 10. This is 1 by 100. This is a 10. This is a 100. This is 1000. This is a 1. Clear? So I hope all of you understood. This is the place value table. Okay. Now we put write their values in these tables. Okay. So first value is 20.6. Okay, 20.6 years. Okay. So in one's place is 0, so you write here 0. Again, this is tens place, 2 is tens place, so you write here 2. After decimal, 6 is the 10th place, so you write here 6. Clear? Okay, we write and the given numbers, decimal numbers in the place value tables. Clear? And the next is, you can see here 148.32. So you can write here the values of 148.32. Okay. So first we start from the right of decimal numbers. 2. You can see this 2 is the 100th place. Okay. So we write here 2. Okay. After this, this is 3. 3 is the 10th place. sorry, here 2, this is 3, and so ones place is 8, so right here 8, and for 10th place is 4, so right here 4, and this is your 100, 1 place is 100th place, so right here 100, sorry, 1. Clear? Now the next value 5203.07. So you write 5203.07. Okay. So you can see the place value of 5 is 1000 place. So this is 1000 column. So you write here 5000. Okay. And 100 plus is 2. So you write here hundreds. And 10th place is 0, so you write here 0. Again, 1's place is 3, so you write here 3. And after this 10th place is 0, so you write here 0. And this is a 100th place is 7, so you write here 7. So student, I hope all of you understood how to write the given decimal number in place value and tables. Now we are going to discuss next examples is that how to expand the decimal numbers. Okay, so let's see. Next question is that write the following decimal numbers in the expanded forms. Okay, we need to write this decimal numbers in expanded forms. So how do we write these numbers? We expand these numbers according to his place value. Okay, so first number is given 267.8. So you can write here 267.8, and we are going to expand it. So this is, you can see 200 2, this the place value of 2 is 100 plus, so you multiply this here 100. Okay, plus after this 67, 6, the place value of 6 is 10 plus, so we can write 6 into 10 plus the 7 is in 1's place, so we multiply 7 by 1 plus next part is the decimal numbers. Okay, 0.8, this is the 10th place, so you can write here 8 into 1 upon 100. We can expand it by their place values. Okay, so you can see here the place value of 2 is 100th place, so we multiply by hundreds by 2. We multiply 2 by hundreds, and here you can see and the place value of 6 is 10th place, so we multiply 6 by 10s. Okay, and 7 is 1's place, so we multiply 7 by 1s, and we plus each numbers. 2 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 7 into 1, and here 8 is the, which place is it? 10th, sorry, this is 10th place, 8 is the 10th place. Okay, so we multiply here 1 by 8 into 1 by 10s. Okay, so you can write it 200 plus 60 plus 7 plus 8 by 10. Clear? Now next part is 32.05. Second, this is the first part, this is the second part is 32.05. Okay, so here you can see 3 is the 10th place, so we multiply, so 3 multiply by 10, 3 into 10 plus, you can see here 2 is 1's place, so 2 is multiplied by 1 2 into 1 plus 0 is 10th place, so it is 0, or you can multiply 1 by 10. Okay, you can multiply it 1 by 10 plus 5 is the 100th place, so you can write 5 into 1 by 100. Okay, because 5 is the 100th place, so we can write it 30 plus 2 plus 0, 0 into 1 upon 10 is 0, plus 5 by 100. This is the expanded form of 32.05. Next, decimal number is 803. Okay, 803.207. Okay, so let's see how to expand this number. This is the third part. The given number is 803.207. We need to expand it. So 8 is 100 plus, so it is multiplied by 100. You can write here 8 into 100 plus, after this 0 is the 10th place, so 0 is multiplied by 10, plus you can see here 3 is the 1's place, so 3 is multiplied by 1. Clear? Now after this 2 is the 10th place, so 2 is multiplied by 1 by 10, so plus 2 into 1 by 10. Now this 0 is 100th place, so plus we can write this 0 is multiplied by 1 by 100, and plus this is 7. 7 is the 1000th place, 7 is the 1000th place, so this 7 multiplied by 1 by 7 thousandths, so 7 into 1 by thousandths. Clear? Now we can write it like this: 800, 100 into 8 into 100, it becomes 800, plus 0 into 10, this becomes 0, plus 3 into 1, this becomes 3, plus 2 into 1 by 10, this becomes 2 by 10, and again 0 into 1 by hundreds, this becomes 0, and 7 into 1 by thousand, this becomes 7 by thousands. And clear? Now we have this part, last part, fourth part, 7.008. So let's see how to do it, how to write 7.008 in the expanded form. So you can write very easy, 7.008. Okay, so this is equal to 7 is the 1's place digit, so you multiply by 7, 1 into 7, plus this 0 is 10th place digit, so 0 by 1 by 10, plus this 0 is 100th place digit, so you can write here 0 into 1 by 100, plus this is 8, this is a 1000th place, so this 8 multiplied by 1 by 1000, 1 by 1000, 1, 2. Clear? Now we can write it 7 plus 0 plus this 0 into 1 by 10 is 0, and 0 into 1 by 100 is also 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 8 by 1000. Okay. Also you can write it, also you can expand it as 7 plus 8 by 1000. Clear? Now we are going to discuss if the the expanded form is given, we need to write in decimal forms. Okay, and student, I hope all of you know how to expand the given decimal numbers. Okay, now we are going to discuss if the expanded form is given, how to write in the decimal form. So let's see. Student, this is the next example. This is given that write each of the following as a decimal numbers. Okay, here you can see expanded form is given here, and we need to write it in the decimal forms. Okay, so here you can see this is 30 plus 6 plus 7 by 10s. Okay, this is 30 means this is, it means that this is tens places. So you can write 30 like this, 30 into 10. Okay, this represent 3, the place value of 3 is 10 places. Okay, and this is the unit places 6. You can write 6 into 1 plus 7 by 10. You can write it 7 into 1 by 10. This is equal to tens place, ones place, and tenth places. So you can write here 6.7. Clear? 3.7. And next is 80 plus 3 plus 7 by 10 plus 5 by 100. So 80 you can write 80, 8 into 10. It means that this number is we write in the 10 place. Okay. So 80 you can write 8 into 10 plus. This is 3. We can write 3 into 1. It means that we write this 3 in one place, ones places. Okay. 3 into 1 plus 7 by 10. 7 by 10 you can write 7 into 1 by 10. Okay. So it means that this 1 by 10 represent 10th place, 10th places. Okay. So we write 7 as a 10th place. And next is 5 into 1 by 100. Okay. So this 1 by 100s represent the 100th place. So we can write here 5 by 100th place. So here you can write 8 is 10th place. This is 8, and 3 is 1st place. So we can write here 3. After this we take point, write point, because this 7 represent 7th place, 10th place. Okay. So we write here 7, and after this plus into 1 by 100. This represents 100th place. So we write 5 at 100th place. So you can see here. Okay. So we can write 80 plus 3 plus 7 by 10 plus 5 by 100. This is equal to 83.75. Now next is 509 plus 4 by 10 plus 3 by 1000. So you can write it 5 into 100. 500 is 5 into 100. So this 5 represents, this 100 represents that the 5 is the digit of which places? Which place? 100 place. Okay. And here 9. So you can write 9 into 1. 9 into 1. This 1 represent that 9 is the digit of ones place. And after this 4 by 10. So 4 by 10 we can write 4 by 10 as 4 into 1 by 10. 4 into 1 by 10. So this 1 by 10 represent 10th place. It means that this 4 is at the 10th place. Okay. Now after this is a 3 by 1000. 3 by 1000 means you can write 3 by 1000, 3 into 1 by 1000. Okay. 3 into 1 by thousands. Okay. So 1 by 1000 represent which place? Thousands place. It means that 3, the digit 3 is at thousands place. So we can write these numbers as in decimal form 5, because tens place is absent here. So we can write the in tens place 0, and after this ninth place ones place is 9, and this point 4 into 1 by 10, it means that 10th place, it means that we write 4 as a 10th place, so here you write decimal and after this write 4, and after this is the 1000th place. Here 100th place is absent, okay, because you can see here 3 into thousands, so 1 by thousands, 3 into 1 by thousand, this represents thousands place, and here 100th place is absent, so we put the 100th place is 0, we can write at 100th place 0, and in thousands place 3. Student, I hope all of you understood how to write expanded forms in decimal numbers. Here, so you can, this is given 500 plus 9 plus 4 by 100 plus 3 by 1000, so you can write it 509.403. Clear? Now, next part, 6020 plus 4 by 1000. So you can write it like this. 6000 is 6 into 1000. Okay, it means that this is 1000. It means that this represents 1000 place. It means that we can write 6 at 1000 place. Okay, and this is 20. Okay, plus 20, you can write 20 like this. 2 into 10. Okay, so 2 into 10. So here this 10 represents tens place. Okay, after this ones place is absent here, so we can write at the place of ones place is 0, and here this is 1000 place, and 100 place is also absent here, so we can write the place of 100 is 0. Now after this we have ones, after ones is tenths, tenth, here tenth place is absent, so we write the 10th places, value of 10th places is 0, and after this 100th place is also absent here, so you can write the place of 100th place is 0, but here you can see 4, next is 4 into 1 by 1000, 1 by thousands. Okay, 4 into 1 by thousands, so this is represent thousands place. Okay, here also 10th place, 100th place is absent, so we can write the 10th place and the 100th place is 0. Okay, now so this is equal to, this is a 6 into 1000, so the 1000 represent thousands places, so we can write 6 at 1000 places. After this is unit place, tens place, because to multiply by 10, so 10 represent tens place, so you can write here 2 at 10 place. Before it you can see 100 place is absent here, so in the 100 place you can write here 0. Okay, after this is the 10th place, so this is 10th place. Again you can see ones place is absent because no digit here who is multiple of multiply by 1. Okay, so you can write 0. Ones place digit is 0. After this we have 10th place. So 10th place digit is absent here because you can see no numbers is multiplied by 1 by, no digit is multiplied by 1 by 10, so you can see here 10.0, this is 10th places, digit is 0, and 100th place is absent here also. You can see here no numbers is multiplied by 1 by hundreds, it means that 100th place is again 0, again absent here, so we write the place of 100th place is 0. Now you can see here 4 into 1 by thousands, so this number represent thousands digits, places 1 by thousand is represent thousands place, so we can write 4 as a thousands place digits. Clear? Again, so in this way we obtain, and this number is 6020.004. So this is given 6000 plus 20 plus 4 by thousands. Okay. So first we can write 6 into 1000 and plus 20 is, you can write 20 is equal to 2 into tens. After this 4 by 1000 you can write 4 into 1 upon thousands. So this number here, this 1000 represent thousands place. So you can write this digit 6 as a 1000 place digit, and plus after this you have 2 into 10. 10 represent 10th place digit. So you write 2 at 10th place, and 1 by 1000. This is 4 into 1 by 1000. So 1 by 1000 represent thousands place digits. So this is, you can write the 4 is 1000 place digits. So in this way we obtain the decimal numbers is 6020.004. So student, I hope all of you understood such type questions. Okay, if the expanded form is given and we need to write in decimal form, so you can do it. Okay, thank you for watching. Jai Hind.